Now, there were doubts surrounding the readiness of the National Stadium football field following the damage done after the Freedom Street concert on New Year's Eve. However, following checks on Friday, Major Desmond Brown, the general manager of Independence Park Limited, is seeking to allay any fear as to whether it will be ready to host the CONCACAF Round of 16 return leg match between Cavalier and Inter Miami.
Tickets are going quickly, almost as quick as the work being done on the football field. The stadium looked almost unrecognizable in early February. But with 4 days to go before one of the most highly anticipated match, Major Desmond Brown says the field is 75% to 80% ready.
Yeah, there's some super brown spots, but they won't be around next week, Thursday, I can assure you. As you know, well, this time of the year, grass grows very slowly. But we are going to put things in place to ensure that by Thursday, there will be no brown spots. That I can assure you.
According to Major Brown, they did their best in getting the field to this stage, including replacing the dried areas with grass.
Quite a few places, that's exactly what we did. You know, we have a nursery, and there were some areas on the east side that were so badly that no grass. So we did do that. But these areas, we feel that the grass can come up. And there's actually grass here that is brown. But the areas that there was no grass, we did do that. We put grass from our nursery and put it there.
On Monday, they will know if the work they have done has passed the test, as the CONCACAF inspection team will be on the island.
They're checking everything. They're checking the changing rooms, checking the lights, checking the field. The team comes in on Monday, and they'll be here doing all the necessary checks to make sure that by Thursday everything will be okay. And we are confident that we'll meet all the requirements.
The expected arrival of Lionel Messi is anticipated based on the sale of tickets to date, but Major Brown is warning fans not to invade the field in the hunt for autograph or selfies.
If there's an invasion of the field, Jamaica will lose its ability to host international matches sanctioned by CONCACAF or FIFA in here. So it's very important that the public understands. Yes, you might want to get close to Messi if he comes, but it's important that if there's any invasion of the field or any disturbance, we will lose our ability to host international matches. So ask the public, please refrain from doing anything like that, because we want to continue hosting our matches here.
There was an incident in the first leg where the game was held up for 10 minutes as VAR ruled out Cavalier's goal. A repeat of the same in Jamaica could see disgruntled fans doing the unthinkable, but Major Brown asked fans not to take action in their hands.
All I can say, we hope that don't happen.
Thursday's match at the National Stadium is set for 8 p.m. Cavalier trail Inter Miami 2-0 from the first leg. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.